Hello, and welcome to this presentation of eDesign Suite, ST Microelectronics' new interactive software tool for power management design. To better demonstrate the features of this tool, it will be presented in two parts: a complete overview and a real design simulation. Let's start with a complete overview of eDesign Suite, where we will describe how to access the software tool, the supported applications, and its main features and capabilities. From the ST Microelectronics website, there are several ways to access the eDesign Suite tool. 1. Direct access. After completing the online registration, click on the quick link, myst.com/analog simulator. 2. Through the eDesign Suite widgets in the Application or Products page of the ST website. Or 3. By visiting the dedicated eDesign Suite page, www.st.com/eDesignSuite. ST Microelectronics software tool helping engineers to choose the right products and the right topologies for their application designs. Supported applications include power supplies, LED drivers, photovoltaic applications, and battery chargers. The Design View provides an analysis workbench for the design generated from the high-level specifications. It provides 1. A specification view. This shows the high-level specification required for a full design. 2. An actuals view. This view presents the main performance characteristics of the design. 3. A fully annotated and interactive schematic diagram of the circuit. 4. A complete and interactive bill of material view. 5. A set of analysis diagrams, such as main current and voltage simulations, efficiency curves, baud stability, and power loss data. 6. A set of commands enabling the user to make design modifications. The Commands toolbar located at the top of the eDesign Suite view window contains a full set of commands. The Save command, for example, allows the user to export and store a design project on an ST server. In this way, you can access and continue working on your design from any computer. The Export to PSpice command enables designers to create a PSpice netlist for the completed design solution in order to perform a simulation in the Cadence or CAD platform. Now that we've completed the overview, it's time to start the simulation of a possible design. When you open the eDesign Suite tool, you have the possibility to select one of the 4 application types supported. An LED driving application will be selected. For this type of application, you can choose between AC/DC and DC/DC families. For this example, we'll select an AC/DC design. After clicking on the Create button, insert the high-level specifications of the design. In this case, you need to specify the input voltage, the LED characteristics which can be inserted by the user or selected directly from a database, and the number of the LEDs in the string. For this example, we'll select 2 LEDs. Once inserted, ICs meeting the specified requirements are filtered in the central part of the screen. By clicking the IC Filter button, it's possible to select an IC with specific features. For this example, we'll choose Primary Current Regulation. Let's suppose you select the HV LED 805 and initiate the design by clicking on the Start Design button. eDesign Suite now gives you the possibility to accept an autocomplete design or to refine parts of it based on specific application requirements such as flyback parameter specifications, transformer design, clamper net design, output stage design, and compensation. By accepting the autocomplete design, the tool provides complete information about the proposed design. By clicking on the screwdriver icon, the interactive schematic allows some of the proposed components to be changed, such as the compensation net, clamper net, transformer, etc. Focusing on the transformer, for example, you can decide to change the core type, selecting one from a database or defining a custom core type, the turn layers of the primary, secondary, and auxiliary windings, the paralleled wires for each winding, and the wire type. At the bottom of the screen, a set of graphs are reported. These include the switching frequency, the efficiency, the baud stability, the power losses, and their split. The complete and interactive bill of material is also provided, where you can modify the selection of products. You can then decide to save your project, as described previously in the overview. This has been a short simulation of a possible LED driver design. To discover all the features of the eDesign Suite, please visit www.st.com/eDesignSuite.